Welcome to Olly Fitness. And I'm going to see me and Daddy work in this gym.
We're going to have an awesome workout.
Yeah.
I was looking into darkness for something to hold on. Find you when you were so broken.
So obviously, as we're quarantined at the moment, me and Ollie, we're in a private gym. We're going to be having our father and son workout. Ollie really wanted to come train with Daddy today, didn't you? And when I told him he could, how happy were you? Show him your really happy face. So I said, we'll get in here, we'll get a few little exercises done, and we're going to get super strong and muscly, aren't we? Let's do this. So exercise 1, we're going to be doing some squats. Okay, let Daddy just get this up. Right, you face forward, ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Some squats. Down and up. And again. 3. Keep going. Keep your chest up, buddy. Like this. That's it. 2 more. So exercise 2, I've got the best spotter in the world. We're going to be doing some chest press up the altar. Okay? Here we go. It's getting heavy. Can you help me with that? Can you help me? No! You're a harsh spotter. That's it, and again, nice and steady. Press again, and again. Do 10. 3, 4, 5. Keep your elbows nice and wide. That's it. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Yes, 1 more. Nice big push. And Daddy's got it. The next exercise, me and Ollie are going to do some goblet squats or dumbbell deadlifts, whatever you want to call them. So feet out, almost ready. Chest up, that's lift. 1, and down. And again. Keep going. Lift them again. 2. Got to do 10. 3. Keep your back nice and straight. Keep your chest up. That's it. 4. 5. 6. So next, we're going to hit some pull-ups. Ready? You watch Daddy and then you do them afterwards. Watch out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 more. So next, we're going to be hitting the biceps with some curls. Are you ready? Pick up the bar. Let's go. Curl up and then down. Straighten them arms. That's it. Up. Straighten them arms. Good. Keep your chin. Keep upright.
When are we going to go home?
Keep copying, Daddy.
When are we going to go home, Daddy?
Home?
Yeah.
Do you want to go home now?
No?
So press ups is next. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Try and get your bum off as well. That's it.
Now I'm going to do some push and...
Come on then, knock it out. Oh, and again. Oh, big punch. Yeah.
kick first.
Kick first. Yeah, so stand there and now punch it. Go hard. Oh, and again, really big one. Oh, knockout! Yes! So last exercise now, we're going to be pumping those triceps, tricep push down. So Daddy will go first, and then Ollie will teach you how it's done. So nice and upright, pushing down like this is all you've got to do, look. Yeah? Do you think you can do that? Yeah?
Yes.
Let's give it a go. So then let it go. That's it. Nice, and again. Nice. Nice. So guys, this is most important at the moment. So after every set, me and Ollie were using this, and we're going to use this again right at the end of the workout. Let's show him what we have to do. Ollie's the expert now, hand washer.
Yeah.
Show him how you do your hands, ready? What Mummy taught you. So we do that, don't we? Then we do front and backs. Yeah, in between your fingers as well, like that. Open your fingers up, very good. And then what do you have to do? That's it.
Just little scratch.
Little scratches on each hand.
That's the weird thing, and then this.
Perfect.
Again.
And now say, super clean, guys.
Do you clean, guys?
Stay safe.
Stay
and
safe.
stay fit.
Stay fit.
And what is this? Subscribe if you enjoyed Olly High Fitness.
Yeah.
You haven't shown him your abs yet.
So, abs.
We better do a quick ab check. Stand back. Show him our abs. Let's go. Yeah, baby.
Look at mine.